In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your tags in just a few simple steps. Managing tags can be a breeze once you know your way around, and it's a great skill to have up your sleeve if you want to keep your contacts organized and easy to navigate. Let's dive right in and take the first step together. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Contacts area of your platform. Now, once you're there, you'll notice an option that says Tags. Tags are essentially labels that help categorize your contacts in a way that's meaningful to you. They can represent anything from customer interests, subscription types, engagement levels, or even the source of contact. This makes it super easy to identify groups of contacts with similar attributes and really streamlines your workflow. Now, with tags open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you will find a button labeled Add Tag. Go ahead and click that. This button is your gateway to effortlessly creating new tags that can be applied to your contacts for better organization and tracking. After clicking Add Tag, a modal window will appear. This is where you'll enter the tags you want to add. You have a couple of ways you can do this, so choose whichever feels more intuitive to you. You can either type each tag on a new line or separate multiple tags with commas. Personally, I find pasting a list of tags helpful, especially if you have them prepared in advance or need to input a significant number. It's a time saver. Remember, tags should be descriptive enough to convey meaning at a glance, making them not only easy for you to use, but also for other team members who might access them. Once you've entered your tags, the next and final step is to click the Save button. Doing so adds these new tags to your tag manager, making them instantly available for you to use with your contacts. Saving the tags allows your organizational structure to update accordingly, ensuring that your contact categorization is always current and reflective of any new criteria you've established. So there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your tags efficiently. By following these simple steps, you've now added new tags to your tag manager, making your contact list more organized and optimized for whatever tasks you have at hand. Tag management is a powerful tool, especially as your contact list grows, so mastering it will definitely enhance your productivity. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy